Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm here with Ilya, and Ilya is 4 months old, and he was born 1 month premature, and he's developed a significant preference to turn his head to the right. So he's developed a flat spot on the back of the right of his head, and one of the things you need to do is develop head and neck control to be able to turn your head other directions. And one key component of that is tummy time. So one of the things I look for when a child is on their belly is how far back their elbows are relative to their shoulders and how far up their head is. So starting at 1 to 2 months of age, I'm expecting the head to be up 45 degrees. So if this is level, 90 degrees is all the way up. Halfway is about 45 degrees. 1 to 2 months, I'm expecting that. At 3 to 4 months, I'm expecting the head to be up closer to 90 degrees when they're laying on their belly. So I happen to know that Ilya's favorite position is not tummy time, so that's why we're doing all this talk before. So let's roll him over onto his belly. All right, my friend. Let's come on over. Oh. So what I'm noticing are the elbows are still fairly back behind the shoulders, not even with the shoulders, but fairly back. And what I'm also noticing is Ilya's face is down on the ground. He's not doing a lot of lifting. Let's see if I get his elbows up underneath him and help him. Then maybe, oh boy, his head's still mostly down. So Ilya needs to do a lot of work. Oh, I hear you, on tummy time. So Ilya's going to be unhappy until we take care of this. It's important to work on tummy time and look at where your child's elbows are relative to the shoulder and how far up their head is. You can document progress over time. I use a goniometer to be able to measure the difference in range of how high up the head is. Usually you have the best head raising at the beginning, and as they fatigue, their head gets lower. I hope this is a helpful thing for you to think about, elbow position and how far upright the head is, to be able to look at progress at a child who has neck asymmetries. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.